20 classic cars under $8,000. Some still run, and some might surprise you. Let's see what's really out there. 1. 1974 Ford Thunderbird, $8,000, Columbus, Ohio. This 1974 Ford Thunderbird shows around 49,744 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior and blue interior, presenting as a complete and well-kept example. The seller highlights no major issues, suggesting it's more of a clean driver than a project. Overall, it appears to be a solid, ready-to-enjoy classic with minimal immediate needs. 2. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair 900 Coupe, $6,900, Lansing, Michigan. This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair 900 Coupe has just over 22,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features the distinctive rear-mounted air-cooled flat-six engine. Condition is described as clean inside and out, with a solid body and presentable paint. It stands as a well-preserved classic that can be used for casual driving without major work up front. 3. 1966 Chrysler Hardtop, $300, $8,000, Braidwood, Illinois. This 1966 Chrysler 300 hardtop is powered by a 383 V8 and runs and drives well. It has around 89,000 miles and has received extensive mechanical updates over the years. While most systems are functional, only the driver's window currently works and braking may need minor attention. Overall, it's a solid driver with ongoing small fixes rather than a full project. 4. 1966 Buick, $7,200, Maryville, Tennessee. This 1966 Buick LeSabre is equipped with a 375 Wildcat engine and is described as running very smoothly. It has received multiple new parts and sits on upgraded wheels. Condition is presented as good, with no major concerns mentioned. It appears to be a maintained driver rather than a restoration candidate. 5. 1965 Pontiac Grand Prix, $8,000, Dayton, Ohio. This 1965 Pontiac Grand Prix shows around 107,000 miles and runs and drives well. It has received suspension work and several mechanical updates. However, rust is present in multiple areas, including rocker panels, wheel wells, trunk, and roof sections. It remains a usable driver but will require bodywork over time.
Number 6. 1970 Buick Electra, $7,500, Dixon, Tennessee. This 1970 Buick Electra has around 88,000 miles and is powered by a 555 V8. It runs strong and has received multiple recent mechanical updates, including engine and brake components. Some rust is present and the power window motors may need replacement. Overall, it is a solid running car with a few typical age-related issues. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe 2D, $7,500, Canton, Ohio. This 1977 Camaro runs and drives well with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. The frame is described as solid and it comes with a clean title. The car does have rust and currently needs tires. It sits as a usable driver that will require some attention, particularly cosmetically. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D, $6,000, Dayton, Ohio. This 1978 Corvette Coupe shows around 27,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. However, it is currently not drivable and must be trailered. Issues include steering problems, brake leaks, and possible frame damage. It is clearly a project car that will require significant mechanical work before being road ready. Number 9. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D, $7,500, Springfield, Virginia. This 1970 Monte Carlo has around 130,000 miles and is equipped with a 350 small block engine. The engine starts and the car is partially functional. It will need body and paint work, though extra parts are included. Overall, it sits as a project that is mechanically active but cosmetically unfinished. Number 10. 1971 Ford Torino GT, $8,000, Dunlap, Tennessee. This 1971 Ford Torino GT originally came with a 429 Cobra jet, but now runs a 460 engine. It will start and move, but currently needs brake work. Rust is present in some areas, though the floors and trunk are solid. It stands as a project car with strong potential, especially given its original specifications.
Number 11. 1977 Lincoln Continental Sedan 4D, $7,500, Jackson, Michigan. This 1977 Lincoln Continental comes with a 460 engine and automatic C6 transmission. It shows around 31,000 miles on the odometer, though the seller notes that may not be accurate. The car runs and drives, with recent maintenance including an oil change and new belts. It also has new tires, making it usable in its current condition. Cosmetically, the paint is fading and the driver's seat shows wear. The driver's side front window has stopped working, likely due to a switch issue. It also needs a tune-up and rear shocks, and has been sitting for some time. Overall, it's a solid driver that needs light mechanical and cosmetic attention. Number 12. 1949 Chevrolet Other, $7,500, West Harrison, Indiana. This 1949 Chevrolet is described as having many new parts already installed. It presents as a complete vehicle that can either be driven as is or taken further as a project. Details are limited, but the seller suggests it is functional enough for use. It doesn't appear to be a non-runner or incomplete build. Condition likely falls into driver quality with room for refinement. It offers flexibility depending on whether the next owner wants to preserve or modify it. Overall, it's a general-purpose classic that sits between a usable car and a light project. Number 13. 1978 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL, $6,000, Grand Rapids, Michigan. This 1978 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL has around 96,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The engine has been replaced with a unit from a 1980 model, along with a new timing chain and gear set. Mechanically, it runs and drives well, with additional updates including a new steering gearbox and battery. The car has been inspected and is considered strong mechanically. Cosmetically, it shows age with some paintwork already done. The soft top needs installation, though a replacement is included. The air conditioning is not working, but overall, it stands as a solid driver with a few remaining finishing touches needed. Number 14. 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Sedan 4D, $6,000, Mont Morris, New York. This 1972 Chevrolet Malibu shows around 100,000 miles and is equipped with a 350 engine. It runs and drives well and includes working air conditioning. The frame is described as good, indicating a solid structural base. Mechanically, it appears usable without major immediate concerns. Interior work is needed, specifically a headliner replacement. The trunk floor will also require repair. Overall, it's a functional driver that needs moderate cosmetic and interior work to be fully sorted. Number 15. 1964 Chevrolet Monza Corvair, $8,000, Smyrna, Delaware. This 1964 Chevrolet Monza Corvair shows just over 2,600 miles, though actual mileage condition may vary. It is described as solid and running fine. The car appears complete, with no major issues outlined. It is not positioned as a full project or non-runner. Only minor, unspecified items are said to need attention. That places it closer to a maintained driver than a restoration case. Overall, it seems like a usable classic that may require light finishing work depending on expectations. Number 16. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $5,500, Ravenna, Ohio. This 1979 Camaro Z28 is listed as a roller, meaning it does not currently have a complete running drivetrain. It does come with a clean title and interior already installed. The body is described as solid, with floor pans shown in the listing. It appears structurally sound for a project build. No engine or running condition is present, so it will require a full drivetrain setup. This makes it a hands-on build rather than a driver. Overall, it's a straightforward project platform suited for someone planning a full assembly or custom build. Number 17. 1972 Nissan, $7,900, Glasgow, Kentucky. This 1972 Datsun 510 wagon shows around 46,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It is presented as a complete and paid-off vehicle. The listing does not mention any major issues or mechanical problems. Condition appears generally intact based on the description. Without detailed notes, it likely falls into driver quality or light project territory. Buyers should expect typical age-related needs. Overall, it stands as a classic import platform with potential, depending on inspection and intended use. Number 18. 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air, $6,750, Jefferson City, Tennessee. This 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air features a restored interior and a solid body. It runs and drives fairly well and will start and load onto a trailer. However, the braking system needs attention, requiring wheel cylinders or repeated bleeding to be road ready. That limits immediate usability. The paint is described as fair, with options to either improve it or keep a patina look. Structurally, it appears stable. Overall, it's a running project that needs brake work and cosmetic decisions to be fully usable. Number 19. 1955 Packard Clipper, $7,500, Fostoria, Ohio. This 1955 Packard Clipper runs and drives well for its age and has around 61,000 miles. It features a 320 V8 and includes additional parts with the sale. The interior is described as nice, and the car is considered solid overall. A new 4-barrel carburetor has been installed, with original parts included. The main issue noted is a broken speedometer needle, meaning mileage tracking is currently inaccurate. Otherwise, no major problems are highlighted. Overall, it presents as a complete and usable vintage driver with minor instrument-related issues. Number 20. 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, 128T Classic Convertible 2D, $1,000, Arab, Alabama. This 1967 Volkswagen Beetle is a low-cost project car with a manual transmission. The engine is free but has not been started or tested. The seller notes that the car needs significant TLC and no detailed inspection has been completed. Condition remains largely unknown. It will require towing and likely a full mechanical and cosmetic restoration. It is not presented as a running vehicle. Overall, it's an entry-level project best suited for someone looking for a long-term rebuild or part space.
If you like honest classic car finds like these, stick around for more. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.